Drew's Roofing. We are on a mobile home in Oak Island, North Carolina. We're going to remove this metal. We're going to put plywood because it's exposed on the inside. We'll change the 1x4s around the front, 1x6s, excuse me. We'll change all them, wrap them. The mobile home is right around 60 foot long. And generally, like I try to say, when you look at one of these mobile homes, it runs from the bottom edge to the top, 7'6". From the top down to the bottom edge, 7'6". So with 2 runs of plywood right there, we'll end up with 4 feet and 4 feet with that 6-inch overhang. Run our 2x4 down through there for a sub fascia and then wrap that with metal. And on this one, we're gonna have black. He wants black because he's gonna paint his house and it will go with the house. So this is day 1. Check out my playlist. We're getting ready to head to Albemarle something, or Albemarle something, North Carolina. Albemarle. And then that'll be on the 24th. On the 4th of June, we're heading to Rhode Island. And then probably somewhere around the 10th, we'll be heading to New York. So check out my playlist called The Travelers. And this is my traveler crew. It's Watson, Mr. Chris Watson. What, needs a new blade?
7.25.
What, needs a new one? Is it bad? The blade's bad?
I'll make it work, dude.
I mean, I can always grab another one when I go out. I didn't know it was bad. Yeah, I know. I'll go. Yeah, I didn't know it was bad. It's a missing teeth?
No, it's not missing teeth, but it's gummed up with. It'll work.
Huh. I thought that was fairly new. Anyways. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. The Travelers. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. The Travelers. Check out our playlist for sure. For the Travelers, you'll find us. My playlist for the Travelers is only out of town jobs. So if you'd like to see what we do when we're out of town, where we've been, where we go, Paul of us. My job is to do what you're looking at right now. Making the video, edit the video, download the video, narrate. Check out my traveler videos in my playlist. I think one of them says 5 guys with a plan or something like that. That's just one of my little short intro videos. Check it out. Hope you enjoy it. I also have a Drew's Roofing and Home Repair Facebook. Check out my playlist for sure. Completely gets rid of the old gutters. They're just gone underneath. Disappeared. Can you imagine having a gutter at the end of your house? What good is that? Yep. Is that ringing or a message?
Hear that metal move? That means it ain't caught nothing. You know what I mean? You guys see him come up, maybe? Huh? That ridge come up? Come up nice. But I don't understand why it's one side 42.5, the other side 43.5. I'm doing the same numbers. both spots that way. I'll push you off. It won't take much, so I know.
Hey, you better run, because Bert can run fast.
Nah, no more. Maybe from me to you. Sorry.
I might make it halfway through the truck.
Amen.
Yeah, I might make it halfway through the truck. Wait, give me a minute.
How many buckets of glue did I get the other day? Still?
No, one more.
Oh, we're gonna have to get some more.
Get me more. We got the tater. Big tater.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to get some more glue.
And steak.
Yeah, there's definitely some in there.
Just remember that when you get home. You got in there. Optical balloon.
What's that wrinkle behind you? Huh? I said, what's the wrinkle?
That's heat. Heat's coming out, dude.
All right, get rid of it. Keep it pushed out. That's the end of the other roll, right?
Yeah. I've seen that.
Yep. Yeah, it's getting hot. That rubber's gonna swell.
I stay on the bottom 84.
Beautiful. One right there at the top. Right there by your left foot.
Go in, go in.
By your left foot, I think there's one.
Where?
No? By his left toe? No? Okay, I missed it. I thought I seen something.
Everything else looks good.
Beautiful. There you go.
I guess everything's good.
Yeah, but I will. I'll put a link down below.
Yeah.
I love it. Very cool. I don't think you need to do anything to it until you're ready. What do you think about that gutter over your window, the door?
That looks nice.
That's awesome, right?
Yeah.
I like that little gutter we put up there. Can't even see it. I mean, looking in the camera, I can't even see the thing.
It kind of does blend in.
Blends right in. Yep, very cool. Yep. Now, before.